Hi guys, this is Deepak from 91 Mobiles and I have with me an Energizer branded smartphone. Now Energizer, the well-known battery brand and phone accessories brand, is bringing a big lineup of phones to India, and this particular device is part of its Hardcase range. They also have a Power Max and Energy ranges and are going to launch phones across these three different model ranges. The Hardcase range here, this particular model is the Hardcase H550S, that's the H550S, and Hardcase, as the name implies, points towards resilience, and I can say that this phone is very solidly built. So the Hardcase H550S, it's IP68 waterproof, is shockproof, comes with a 4000 milliamp battery and some reasonably good specs like a 5.5 inch FHD display with 2.5D curved glass. There's a MediaTek Helio P18 octa-core chip inside, clocked at 1.5 GHz and mated to 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB storage. There's USB Type-C with fast charging, micro SD support. This is dual SIM, fingerprint scanner at the back, also supports NFC. The main camera here is a 16 megapixel sensor, while at the front you get an 8 megapixel camera. So it's a very solid device. The 3.5 mm headset socket on top is protected by a rubber flap to protect it from water. Type-C port at the bottom with the speaker, power key, volume rocker on the right, and SIM tray on the left. In terms of software, it's stock Android. This phone is running Android Nougat. It's completely stock and untouched. A solidly built device with long battery life. That's the promise of the Energizer Hardcase H550S. Thanks for watching.